Hello, my name is Mandeep Kaur and my student ID is 303633354. Today I'm going to present my contribution in our project and I was the project manager. Yeah, and I was the project manager in this project and I was tasked with leading project planning. This is I was required to ensure that the work schedule was being followed and that everything was in order. Also, I was to ensure that we meet project deadlines. Everyone was expected to finish the work on time. Lastly, there is the management of client and stakeholder relationship, and I had to ensure that the relationship between the stakeholder and client was seamless by meeting their requirements. And this is a project planning. I was involved in the development of work schedule that would be used to plan the project. As I can't be seen in the figure, the Gantt chart would help us execute the tasks allocated to us on time. What was required of me was to remind my team members about the tasks and ensure that they were doing them as expected. Additionally, after each milestone was achieved, I ensured that we had a meeting to discuss on the challenges that we might have faced and the way forward. And this is stakeholder and client relationship. The management of the stakeholder and client relationship was important because they influenced the outcome of this project significantly. For this reason, I was tasked with ensuring that the team members meet the expectations of the stakeholders and client by executing the project as required. For example, the client provided us with requirements and we had to use that if there was a change we needed to do in the project scope, and the client would give us the permission to do so. And this is a dashboard. I was involved in dashboard creation. Given that this project required us to conduct sentiment analysis on iPhone 11, there was the need to determine the most frequent negative comments that is from the retweets that were being given by the users. Therefore, I was involved in the dashboard creation. After the analysis, we brainstormed on the different charts and graphs that we would use to present this information because it was important. Besides, the information had to be meaningful. And now I will discuss about the project write-up. I was involved final write-up of the project. Given that the project write-up was approximately 10,000 words, it was necessary to ensure that we started it earlier to avoid any issues that may arise. Also, I had to reconcile the information presented on the dashboard and that on the data analysis. That means that I had to ensure the visualizations that were used in creation the dashboard were related. And lastly, I conducted stakeholder analysis since I was tasked with client and stakeholder management. And there is some recommendations. I developed recommendations based on the findings from the analysis. The recommendations had to be aligned to the findings of the project. The recommendations I provide include the following. User experience must be considered. When Apple Inc. is developing a new iPhone product, they need to have user testers from different segments such age. Feedback provided by customers need to be considered. Issues such as iOS 13 bugs have been raised, but the company is yet to respond, as well as extensive market research to identify the needs of the customer as they keep changing. There are some lessons that I learned during the execution of the project include sentiment analysis providing to be an important aspect of value addition for companies, and project manager requires commitment and discipline as well as proper planning is required for successful execution of a project. Additionally, I learned about the develop communication channels to be used during the duration of project execution. It is important to note that communication is vital to the success of the project, and for this reason, I would communicate with team members by providing them with information on the communication channels that we would be using in our team meeting. That said, I also conducted risk analysis and management because I understand that there were risks that would be involved in this project. And finally, I learned the use of W as a data analytic tool. I was used to Power BI, but later came to understand that like Power BI, W has its strengths. There is some ideas to improve the course. These are suggestions that I would front to improve the course. However, I do realize that some would be difficult to materialize because of processes involved. That said, I would have wanted to similar projects be awarded. That way we would be challenged the same. On the flip side, I do appreciate the different projects because they provide different challenges and in the end is increasing the project duration. And in the last, it's a conclusion. From engaging in this project, I have concluded that the perception of consumers is important to the brand strength. Also, sentiment analysis is important to continuous improvement of product, and teamwork facilitate diversity and foster unity. And thank you. Any questions?